Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Today in my shop 2014 Volkswagen Passat SE with approximately 124,000 miles on the odometer. It's a TDI version, so very desirable for us geeks. I'm in process of buying it. We are just waiting for release of the title, and while waiting on that paperwork I started cleaning that baby. And in today's video I would like to focus on this steering wheel. It's one of the items we are using all the time. This one is made of leather, and I hope you can see these areas which I believe it's a dirt, and it's not where, but we will see together. I'd like to see and make video about how to clean leather steering wheel. I'm not professional detailer. I'm just a geek who likes the cars. So in many products I stick with this brand, Meguiar's. And I will start cleaning that leather steering wheel with this quick interior detailer cleaner, which is applicable for almost anything including the leather. And I will use to massage it in it, to soak the steering wheel surface, to massage it in it. I will start with this Terry applicator. I will be not spraying all over the whole dashboard and the car. We'll actually put it on the applicator, massage it in, and then we will continue with the microfiber towel. I already showed you this area, and just for comparison, let's do, let's say, half of the steering only, and then we can see before and after. So, as I said, I don't see one reason why to keep spraying on it, and it will be everywhere. So this is how I deal with it. This is how I like to use that cleaner. Guys, it's absolutely incredible. This applicator is perfectly removing it, including the stitching. Let me show you that immediate result. It's absolutely incredible. You have to see the detail. It's worth pausing the video and grabbing the camera. You won't believe this, but sure, right? You see that mess. And I did switch the metering mode on the camera so you can really see it. This is the new side. Look how dirty it is. And now you will see the details. This is just with very light touch. I'm letting that cleaner do the work. This was all that heavy residue. Like here, you see it? What it took 10 seconds just to clean it this way. This was my applicator, it's soaked in it. It's unbelievable. I left this here on a purpose, so you can see it. The bottle says that you can use that terry cloth or also the microfiber towel if you want. So we can do both, and you can see the differences in application, that there are many ways to skin the cat, correct? I took a small microfiber towel. I will fold it on 4 so I can collect that dirt and keep turning it over. So this is still that quick interior detailer cleaner. Right, carefully soak it, Carefully, meaning I don't want to spray all over the vehicle. I will keep repeating myself, sorry for that, but either if it's my vehicle or the customers, when I work on their cars or mine, I don't want to make mess. Why? Well, because it's very easy to make mess, and then it takes a lot of time to clean it. I want to prevent it. I always rather take a little bit of time to prevent the mess. Maybe mask something, bring a bunch of towels. If I have to spray, I will put the towels behind it. Because that's worth thinking ahead and doing it that way. I'm nicely cleaning the stitching, which is nice here. I will not use some aggressive brush or something which could damage the stitching. I want to be gentle with it. Also, I will be not spraying on steering wheel because I don't want to get that spray inside of these switches. That will be absolute nonsense. I'm sure you will agree. I'm changing the area of the towel because I will be not using the dirty part too long. That will not make any sense, will you not agree? And as I said, we will do, let's say, half of it, half of the steering wheel, and we will compare them before and after. Now, don't forget always the area from behind, right here. It's always dirty there. This is one of the areas also. Take an extra time for that one. I will turn it. Ideally, you use the gloves so you don't get this cleaner on your skin. So, look at this. All that dirt which was there in the beginning. This is how we looked at it. This is all gone while it's still visible here. Can you see it? Okay, I'm right back. This is what I'm trying to show, that dirt, you remember it? That was nasty, and look at this area. We got that steering wheel beautifully clean. Well, let's continue on that half with the other stage. This is perfectly clean and dry right now. Let's continue with the other part, number 2, applying that rich leather. And just a hint for someone, when I use these products, I always keep the dedicated applicator with it. So basically this is how I store it. I have a bag, but I know I use this applicator with this product. I didn't want to be mixing them and making a big mess. That will be a problem. This one is relatively clean still. It's on. So I will do the same right here. Of the vehicle. We're not spraying it right here. This product is kind of bluish, and I will gently massage it in, following directions, and again for purpose of showing all the options. Well, why not? Why not to apply it on the brand new applicator, which I will keep in that bag, as I said, and massage it everywhere using this. Why not? It's fine. There are many ways how to do these things. Absolutely. I will show you the results. The only thing which I cannot show you is how it feels in my hand. This you have to trust me that the steering wheel is not slippery, at least not in my case, and it should be safe to drive. I'm doing it for myself, and I believe this is fantastic. So once again, yeah, here it's all that dirt. It's kind of slippery too, by the way. And here is the treated area, the left. I'm very happy with this. Isn't it great that we can purchase all these products that are affordable and we don't have to pay somebody to do this for us? So for example, look at this stitching here. Is it in focus? I believe so. Look how clean it is. And look how dirty it is on the other side. You see the dirt, correct? And here comes moment of the truth. Did we make together any difference on this steering wheel? Isn't this amazing, guys, what you can do? Even if you take your time, what difference you can make, let's say in 15-20 minutes. Look how gorgeous that steering wheel looks, how clean the leather is. The touch is absolutely beautiful, and it will be a pleasure to drive this vehicle, will you not say? And just to make it clear, little disclaimer, I am not promoting these products. I bought it by myself. I'm not being paid to show it to you. I'm just sharing my own ways how to do this work. If you will decide it yourself, I'm wishing you good luck. Make sure you have proper protection for the eyes, wear rubber gloves. I was filming, so it's easier for me to have no gloves, and I already wash my hands immediately after that. So I hope you find this video helpful or inspirational at least. If you have a better ways to deal with it, please share it underneath the video and stay tuned. It was my Toyota customer, so all I wanted to say, thank you for watching, for supporting this channel, and have a great day, my friend.